What's up, gents?
What's up,
Welcome
gents?
back to another video. So yeah, we're on our way to fetch the engine now. We managed to get the engine for a nice price. So yeah, we're on our way to fetch the engine now. So yeah, we'll just video the engine once we get back, because you know it's two men carrying an engine. Aye. So we'll show you gents the engine when we come back. So as you can see, gents, here's the engine, 1.6 engine, still in good condition. And we got the gearbox, 5-speed, nah? FFZ gearbox, we got it. So yeah, we're making progress, gents. Now we're gonna be on our way to bumper to get the radiator, a new grill, and what else? Shock mountings. So yeah, that's about it, gents. Yeah, gents, as you can see, just got back from bumper to bumper. We have our grill here, radiator there, shock mountings here, and yeah, we're about to clean the engine now. Gonna clean the engine now. So yeah, as you can see, gents, we're busy stripping, just stripping the engine so we can clean it. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. Just need to clean it. You see we have the degreaser there, like a brush to scrub with. And yeah, just gonna clean the engine nicely, man, as it's a bit dirty. Just gonna clean it. We'll film the whole process now while we're cleaning it.
Dime por qué. Dime por qué.
Now we need it small brush.
It's so pure, though. Eager is big business, so.
Dime por qué.
can see, just finished up with the engine, cleaning, spraying. As you can see, it's looking fresh. It's looking fresh, fresh, fresh.
Sure, gents, you see, as you can see, we moved on to the gearbox, start cleaning it. Yeah, FLZ. Yeah, gents.